One.
Okay, first of all, we open the box and we can see we have a bag here, we have a menu, we have a CD inside, and also we have a robot sampling card. And this is the main unit, charger, cable, battery, and we have a metal sampling card also. Okay, put on the battery. Oh, it's already one inside. We switch on the machine. So there will be a self-calibration for 15 seconds. We have a supporter here. You can hold it like this. Okay, now it's ready to use the machine. So the coming step, you have to take out the swab from the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. We take the swab out. First of all, we take the cap, and we just location place where you want to do the test. Before that, you check if everything is okay, the tip is okay. And after that, just take out the swab, roll it. Try to swab as much as possible. Put it inside. Press. Shake about 3 to 5 times. You see the reagent is coming down. The volume is something like this. Is okay. Put it immediately inside the machine and press OK. "10 seconds, you will have a result. Okay. And you can do the second one, the same. Let's find another place. We can use this one for some special place like this. Try to swap as much as possible, okay? And after that, 我的管子放哪儿了？ So the testing is finished. Let's go to connect to the software. 先停可以。